Hello, Scott. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke recently about me sending over the screencast to you, so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly, one of your top competitors' sites really quickly, and then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. So, typically, when I send out these screencasts with the free information and a business owner sees what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they reach out wanting to team up. So if you watch this through and feel the same, please don't hesitate to reach out. Without further ado, let's get into it. So right here, I am on your home page. So we can kind of go through it here. So you have some good content on here, but you could definitely use some more interlinking. And the content is good, but there's not a lot of it. So Google is actually going to rate you based on around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. Typically, you'll want 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage. I actually did a word counter search over here, and you have 296 words. So we definitely want to add a lot more content to your site, and we want to add more quality content that's educational. People want to come on this site and find the information or the services that they're looking for with ease. And Google's going to read through this and determine whether or not your site does that for them. So definitely number one is content. And we also want that content to have some really good high traffic keywords in there so we can get you ranked for the right stuff. So over here on Google, the keyword that I'm going to be using for this video today is water damage restoration Nashville. This is a good keyword. It brings in around 200 searches per month, so that's a pretty good amount. It's definitely a good keyword you would want to be ranked for. So right here at the top, we have our Google Ads. Google Ads are a good way to get your name out there while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up, but they have to be done correctly or they can actually just be like a huge money pit. And a lot of times, most people don't really trust these ones as much for whatever reason. And so right beneath the ads, we have our Google Map Pack. As you can see, you now have to be on one of the top 3 spots to make the front page. I don't know if you remember, it actually used to be they would show the top 5, but they switched up the algorithm, so now you have to be top 3. And the way you're going to do that is with citations. So citations are just having your business listed on different directories all over the web. So think Yelp, think Yext, think Yellow Pages. You want to be listed on directories like those that people trust, and you want to be listed on as many of them as you can, definitely more than they are being listed on. And so down here we have our organic search results. These are by far the most important. Google has come out and said that over 70% of people searching something in will actually click on one of these, and especially the ones toward the top. So right here, we can see one of the top competitors' sites. So as you can see, this guy has a very professional looking website, but there's not a lot of content on here either. So I actually did a search. He has 570 words, which is more than you guys have, but it's still not even really near where Google says is like the bare minimum. So you, like I said, you want 1,000 to 1,500 words. However, the main way that you're going to get ranked up here is going to be through through backlinks. And backlinks are basically a shout out from another business or website. So businesses linking to businesses or websites linking to websites are basically what the web is made out of. And you want to get shout outs or backlinks from sites that are relevant and high powered. So you want like a trusted construction company or real estate agent or plumbing company in your area to give you a shout out. That would be the best way to get a backlink. And so right here, if you ever try and do this on your own, I highly suggest getting this tool right here. This is Ahrefs.com. It costs me around $400 a month, but it gives you a lot of great information. So here I typed in the guy that we just looked at. As you can see, he has 309 backlinks from 43 different sites and is ranking for 181 keywords. So we can actually take a closer look at that. As you can see, he's going for some really good keywords here that have a lot of volume. But see right here, something like this would be a national keyword. So you would want to go for something more location oriented. So the ones with Nashville at the end are going to be the ones that you want to go for, and the ones with high volume. You can also see how much traffic each keyword brings him and what position he has for that keyword on Google. So this is a good way to kind of go through and see which keywords are worth trying to go for you guys. And so the same way that we just kind of took a closer look into that, we can do with the backlinks. So backlinks right here, they are mainly off domain rating. You want a high one. It goes from 1 to 100. As you can see, they have some pretty high up backlinks there. So we can kind of go through these, see which ones are worth snagging for your own site. And we want to completely outdo this guy. He has 284. So you want to have like at least well over 300. Which is very doable, but also keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword for one service. So you guys offer multiple services. We want to rank for the best keywords for all of them, and we want to blow all the competition out of the water, but this gives you a good idea of what it takes to do that. And so right here, we are on your site. So from the looks of it, it looks like you guys have a lot of backlinks and a good amount of referring domains. But if we look into the keywords, you guys aren't ranking that high. So we would definitely want to find more relevant keywords because as you can see, water cleanup, that's another national kind of keyword right there. That's not really location specific. And then the ones that you have chosen for the location specific, excuse me, those don't have a lot of volume coming in. So we want to find more relevant keywords that bring in some more volume, some more traffic, and then we want to get you ranked higher. And so by doing that, we would get more backlinks that are relevant and high powered. So that's what I have for you today. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and got something out of it. To kind of recap what we went over, number one is going to be content. We want to get good quality educational content with the correct keywords. Number two is we're going to want to get a lot of high-powered citations to get you on that Google Map pack. And number three is going to be getting backlinks. And we want high-powered, relevant backlinks. So I hope that this benefited you, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. If you do want to reach out to me to learn more or possibly team up, you have my email, but my phone number is going to be 714-975-5909. So I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.